On the way. With the competition season just beginning, the buzz at school has been all about UIL. Every year across the state, students vie for top places in the academic, athletic, and performing arts categories, hoping for a chance to advance to the next level. Riding the bus home from my district meet, Mireya leans over my seat and looks down at me resting on my back, cradling a tall, shiny trophy in my arms. I still can't believe it. I won top place in poetry interpretation for my dramatic performance of the poem The Highwayman. In ready writing, my essay earned fifth place, but that doesn't mean as much to me. Writing has always come easily. Acting, however, is a newfound passion, and a trophy is the holy grail of awards, far more elusive than a standard ribbon. You can try your best all through high school and never win a trophy at anything. Mireya and Sarita didn't place in their events, science and math. They've been keeping their empty hands busy, absently paging through magazines. "You still mad at me?" Mireya asks. "No," I answer and look away. It's the first time she's actually talked to me since the incident in the cafeteria. "It's a cool trophy," Mireya says, reaching down to caress it with reverence. "Thanks. I love it," I whisper, hugging it to my chest. It's my first competition ever, and I can't wait to show the trophy to Mommy. "I guess it was worth it, changing the way you talk," Mireya admits. Her smile is soft, sincere. Suddenly, I hear Mr. Cortez at the front of the bus, laughing about something with another teacher. I look up at Mireya. "Changing how I talk doesn't change who I am. I know where I came from," I tell her, and she nods. Mireya and I have been in school together since first grade. Two chicks cooped up in the same pen, pecking at each other, sometimes a little too hard. We've been best friends for as long as I can remember. I guess a little drama is just what we needed to remind us that while friends are the familia we choose for ourselves, we still have to work at staying close.